What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Milady meme coin, which has taken a little bit of a dip, 8% down guys. And yes, it's not just Milady meme coin, but majority of the cryptocurrencies are on the red side today, including the main one, Bitcoin, dropping below $40,000, which is not looking too great. But we're going to be focusing on the future, on what to expect over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, focusing mainly on Milady meme coin, but also on the crypto market. What can we expect and what can we predict as well? And is now the right time to buy the dips, or is it going to drop further, or is it time to sell it, or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and both short-term and long-term investors. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and it's another day where Milady meme coin is trading below the average value here in purple, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from the crypto over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow, it should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. And again, I do agree with that. Reason for that is it has taken quite of a dip over the last couple of hours, so it is due for a little bit of a recovery over the next couple of hours. Again, yes, it is likely to go up in value, but it's not going to be anything major. It's not going to be a full recovery. It is going to be a very minimal increase in value. But over the next few hours, do expect more red candles for it to drop a little bit further, and then slowly start to gain value in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. So yes, an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit more skeptical here. We do have the blue line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Milady meme coin? So an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from the crypto right now over the next week or so. However, from the analysis and predictions that I have done, I'm expecting an overall minimal drop in value once again over the coming week. Even though guys, over the last week it has dropped a massive 18%, and over the month a huge 35%. Guys, the crypto market has been very volatile, but clearly has been moving towards a negative direction. Over the coming week, I'm expecting it to potentially drop another 10 to 13%. Somewhere around there is where I'm expecting it to be dropping down to. Reason for that is I'm also expecting majority of the cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, taking a little bit of a dip towards the next week or so before it slowly starts to gain value. So let's move on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks. Still not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Essentially over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late March 2024 and early April as well, the graph is expecting an overall drop, but I am expecting an overall increase in value. The reason for that is I'm expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $50,000 in March, April 2024, which should of course have a major positive impact on the value of majority of the cryptocurrencies, and hence why I am expecting an overall increase in value from Milady meme coin over the next 6 to 8 weeks, even though over the coming week or two it is likely to carry on dropping a little bit further down. After that, it should slowly start to recover and trade at a higher value in late February, March and April, potentially gaining more value than where it is at the moment. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone. However, in Q2 of 2024, from April onwards, I'm expecting it to just about hit the resistance target, and by mid-year we should be trading in the green zone if everything goes according to plan. But again, it is cryptocurrency, it is a volatile market, so anything can happen. Any little news can have a major impact on the value of the crypto market, either in a positive or negative direction. But again, that is why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on a daily basis on what to expect and what to predict. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has gone up by 20% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $3 million in trading. The reason why it has gone slightly up over the last 24 hours is looks like a lot more people are buying the dip right now. The fact that it's dropped near about 8% in the last 24 hours, a lot more people have started to trade the crypto. Again, there may be some people panic selling it and taking out their profits or even their losses, but I'm expecting a lot more people to be investing into it, buying the dip. And DCA is crucial personally, especially at this time where the crypto market is dropping. What DCA is, just a brief explanation or an example. Even if you have $500, I would invest $100 every day for the next 5 days, so I would get the average value of the drop, or even if it picks back up, I'm still going to get the average value. That is something which I have been doing and has worked for me so far. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Milady meme coin. Guys, comment down below what your expectations and your predictions are after this drop that's been taking place in the crypto market. Has any of your predictions or analysis changed on Milady meme coin or the crypto market? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.